Happy snow lovers. Winter Storm Juno is here. Trenton, New Jersey, in front of my house. We got about, I would say, 3-4 inches on the ground. They haven't plowed nothing yet. It's still snowing pretty good. Nothing compared to what they said. Nothing at all. I mean, they were calling for like 12 to 16 inches in Trenton, New Jersey. I was like, damn, we're gonna get a good one. But we end up getting like 4 inches. I mean, the storm's not done yet, but still. But look, I want to show you what it looks. And as a matter of fact, let me go out and I want to show y'all. I did my sidewalk. I put salt on it. So I figure it's almost done. But like, I'm not saying this is nothing. I'm a snow person. So, I mean, yeah, I don't like it, but, you know, I like it. I want to show y'all. Like, you know, we didn't get much. But we got something. But don't worry, I'm in Trenton, New Jersey on Genesee Street, so crazy. I'll make a couple $100 today if I really wanted to, but I think the good stuff gotta go to Boston. Man, they got snowblowers out here. I swear I love this shit. I really do. It makes me want to do something right now, like, you know, like go out, but I see it's snowing still, and people don't want it. People don't want it shoveled if it's still snowing. But now, see, if it was a heavy snowstorm, like 2-3 feet, like we ran up in Boston, people won't matter because, you know, they say, oh, well then, if he shovels at the end, it's gonna be, you know, real hard. But it's like it's all dry snow. It's like you could, if this snow wasn't deep, you could use a leaf blower and just. So, again, we didn't get as much as they said, but we got something. So that's good. Thanks for watching.